Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ActiveCampaign to automate your marketing. ActiveCampaign is a great way to follow up on your subscribers and leads and then turn them into customers. Their tool called Automations allows you to create automations such as increasing revenue, increase traffic, automating your sales team, and boost contact satisfaction. They have some pre-done recipes that you can select from. As you can see, targeted follow-up, engagement tagging, unsubscribed contacts, and many more. You can create one from scratch. So let's start and create one from scratch right here. And click on Create. Now let's say we want to follow up on subscribers after they've subscribed to our newsletter. The first thing and the first point is to make sure that you have subscribe as the first option, because that's what will trigger this automation. And then you select a list. Make sure you've created a list already. And you want to make sure it runs based on the frequency that you want. And in this case, it's just once. And you can select advanced options such as segmenting. I'm going to click Add Start. And that's where the automation begins. If a lead subscribes to this list here, they'll then move down, and what will be triggered is whatever you set. So let's click on the plus icon, and you're given some options. You can send an email, send an SMS, or notify someone. You have some other actions such as conditions and workflow, contacts, and CRM. So it's quite advanced. Let's say I simply want to send an email. Let's click on that. And it's saying you don't have any emails to send, and you can create an email. So let's create an email first. And let's call this welcome. And now it's loading the template section so I can choose the email template that I want sent. Let's just create it from scratch. And I'm going to choose text only. And next, you want to choose your email subject line. Welcome to the newsletter. And click on Continue. And this is where I can type in the message that I want sent after someone subscribes. Once you've entered your email, you can click on Next. And you can enable things like open and read tracking, link tracking, reply tracking, and add Google Analytics. You can also send a test email to see what it looks like. Once you're happy with that, click on Finish. And now it's taken me back to the automation section in the campaign that I created. So after someone subscribes, they then sent this welcome message. Now, if I want to set a duration of when to send this email, I can click the plus icon. And let's click on Conditions and select Wait. And I can wait for a specified period of time or until specific conditions are met. So let's select for a specified time. I can say wait 1 day. And what will happen is after they subscribe, a day later, they'll receive this email. However, I want this out straight away. So in this case, I don't need this. But what you can do is drag and drop it to the next section and move single action right here. And since I have no contacts here, these options don't really matter. So now it's moved on to wait for 1 day. And if I want to send another message 1 day later, I can click on the plus icon and repeat the same steps. You can do a lot more advanced things, such as if someone clicks a link in your email, then you can tag them. So let's say they clicked a link in this email. You can then choose a plus sign and add a tag. So let's say interested in beginner course. So with this message that I'm putting the tag description as a demo, let's say this email has a message that says, are you interested in the beginner course? If you are, click here. So if they click that link, they're then added to this segment. So your automation campaign can be as complex as you want or as simple as you want. And that's how you use ActiveCampaign to automate your marketing.